So that's what the green one is, which you can see we just bounced off of right there. And then this is the 30-minute orb. So I can watch 30-minute here and I can watch IB here. That's why I have it on two separate charts. And then, well, there's that 233 EMA again. So that's what I got. I have no idea. I heard the headline read in my ear, but I didn't find the headline anywhere else. So basically what I saw was or what I heard was that they're some kind of final vote, something they're passing, getting rid of the PDT rule, or they're revisiting it. I don't know, something. So didn't see a full headline, but did see that. Did hear it in my ear from the news squawk. So it's headline out there somewhere. Is Bull even above the offering price? I can't remember what the offering price was on Bull, but just like any IPO, Bulls was a weird one because it was a SPAC merger, I think. But either way, just like any of these IPO, I mean, you can look at this and be like, oh, it looks good. Well, yeah, I mean, maybe for a trade to do something like this. But let me remind you, for those that don't remember 2021, here's 2021 IPO Robinhood, for example. Look, a little pop. Like this right here looks exactly like what Bull is doing right now. This right here. And then look, oh, it can go even lower, and then it can base for 2 years. And that's like a good case scenario. Treasury Department's tweeting something about sanctions moving forward to put pressure. All right, I'm seeing another headline here. The SEC eliminates the pattern day trader rule and replaces it with a new intraday margin system. Anyway, what I was saying here, like even Palantir, look, Palantir from IPO stayed up here for a long time during a bull market. And then look, tell me this doesn't look like Weeble right now. Whoa. Oh, we're so back again. Nope, we're not. We're so back again. No, we're not. Okay, maybe we are finally back. Almost. And that's, you know, a special once in a generation stock like Palantir. So that's just IPOs. You just have to be careful. I draw fib retracements all the time. Right now, there's nothing to draw fib retracements on, really. I mean, I guess you could go to like your daily here and do this. Yeah, I do. I draw fib retracements all the time. I mean, we're just squeezing straight up. So yeah, what do you do with that? Nice little bounce ski here. Hey, just got a notification that KC Trades is live. Middle East de-escalation. Sounds familiar? I don't know when to close my Amazon, but you're still holding Amazon puts? Well, Telon, I mean, how much time do you have on them? When did you buy them? And what was your invalidation point? Oh, I like this guy. I like this guy right here. Well, that is a big wick on the 4-hour right off of the 233 EMA. I like this guy. When did you guys buy those? I mean, we talked to Casey about this yesterday, and he'll be on here at some point soon, but he started taking them right here. He didn't add anything yesterday. He's doing it as a swing trade, so I'm sure he's probably adding more up here. I mean, just based on the chart setup, if I had to assume, just knowing Casey and how he trades and how a swing trade would be set up here, he's taking some starters. He's probably adding a decent amount here, and he's looking for, some little fading move back into here. And his invalidation point's probably up here, or a close above 250, maybe possible. I don't know. We'll have to add them. But if I had to guess, I bet KC probably added some more Amazon in here somewhere today. And probably has a full position here, risking like 20-30% with some time on it. If I had to get, I mean, this is just conjecture. He's not here yet. My thought process would be, if you really wanted to short Amazon, you probably close out whatever you're in and pick a different strike up here. If I was managing, which everyone's going to manage their trade differently, but if I was managing and I really wanted to short Amazon for some reason, I would probably be taking like 240s for a month out. But everyone's different. I'm sure we'll get, don't worry guys, I'm sure we'll get a KC trades update at some point. Ooh, big rejection here off the EMAs. Uh-oh. Do we add? Maybe we do add. Pretty nice little rejection while I was looking at Amazon. I was thinking about adding back my trims. So I took trims right here where we're at. We bounced back up. We rejected the EMAs, lower high, head and shoulders type of look up here. But because it's so counter trend, I don't really want to add. But that upper wick is pretty gross. Could be an inverted hammer too on the 15-minute, but this, you tried to bounce, you just got sell pressure right back into. If this candle pushes back under, that tells you the sellers are starting to win the battle a little bit more. Reminder to the chat, this is for educational purposes only. Please take your own trades. I mean, if you want to take a trade with me or with Casey or Jordan or whoever, like it's fine, but you better be able to explain it somehow yourself. I don't want anybody in here just blindly following trades and callouts. If you're not understanding why, if you don't have an understanding of why, don't take the trade. Just ask. You can ask. But don't blindly take trades, guys. And I'm not talking to anybody in particular. I'm just that's a PSA for everyone here hanging out. There's almost 400 of you got in here today. Probably a couple thousand throughout the day so far. Don't blindly follow anybody. Especially I'm talking to the new people. Some of you guys that have been trading for a while. Yeah, I mean, you know better. You know, like Grambo, like you know better. I know you're making a joke here, and I get it. Like it is funny. I don't know any other way to trade. But what I'm saying is, like, if you are new, this is more for the new people. If you're chasing callouts and alerts, you're never going to be successful trading, no matter what. Well, market structure can be defined by a lot of different things, but like just some of the simplistic pieces of it: higher lows, higher highs, lower lows. So like right now, what you have, notice that like these lows just progressively are getting higher. You don't have any like significant lows that are being, broken or taken out. Like even here, you had a low here, you have lows here. These are like, equal lows, but then, and then like up here. So you have a low here, and you see how this kind of just stays, like structure never really broke. Same thing here. I mean, you can have it come under a little bit, but like you need like a lower low and then a lower high and then another lower low. That's the change of structure. Right now, you don't have change of structure. Back here, here's where change of structure happens. So market structure, here's your lows, but here's your lower highs, and then you're still making lower lows here. Pop back up, so you're like over this high, but you're still under these highs. So lower high still lower low, still making lower lows. And then right here, you're still making lower highs, but now you've started to make higher lows. And once these higher lows start happening, then as you see these lows here coming down, and then you get this higher high with higher lows, and then boom, higher high here again. It's complete change of structure. So that's a very basic way of looking at market structure. That's the best way I could kind of do it just on a quick basis. Let me see if I go like okay, if we go back in here, obviously you can just look and see the trend is up, but you see the lows are getting higher and higher and higher, and so are the highs. And then you see, okay, this high is lower than this high, and then you come down below these lows. So now you have that lower low, lower high. So you've got two pieces of the puzzle, but you don't have any follow through. So after this kind of took it out right here, but you really needed like lower high, and then you needed another lower high here and come back down to these lows to change structure. That never happened, so you didn't change structure. Still have higher lows. Even though this one sweeps just under, it doesn't really like come under. So like right here, and then boom, obviously you took this out, so your structure is still upside, just in the basic sense of market structure. Same thing here, like you have lows here, here's your lows, but your highs didn't respect. So this is still higher highs, higher lows. in the broader scheme of things. Now, like if you go down to even smaller, like right now, some lows like this, and your highs are higher. If this creates a lower high and you come out below this, so now you have a change in structure if this gets continuation here. You get like underneath this. But like you have to put that together with some confidence. But that's, basic market structure, price action. I mean, like Amazon, for example, you had all these were just lower highs and you were still making higher lows, which some people will look at this and say like, okay, well, it's a triangle. It's going to break at some point. And then you see, okay, well, these lows took out all these previous lows. So now you had lower lows and lower highs still. Then you did this. So you've taken out all these highs. Structures changed to the upside. I guess you could say you have some higher lows, but really, because on a daily basis, I didn't even put it in. Here's a better example on Amazon. Look at all these lows. See, every one of these lows was higher. And like you did have higher highs. Then you had lower high with higher low. So this is a triangle, right? And when price breaks out of a triangle, it usually gets explosive because it's compression of price. And you can see when this one broke below these lows, boom. So that's kind of how I look for structure. Here's another. You start getting higher lows here, and you're getting higher highs, and then once you break this, boom, now you came all the way down here. Now you got a lower high here, and a continuation, boom, you break those lows. Now you go make new lows. That's a basic example on like how I look at just basic market structure to help. What's up, Casey?
What's up, gang?
Gang. I've been sitting in a little bit of a short still. Already trimmed half of it, but
Same. I'm short a few things.
just wanted to fill something. Should have shorted Microsoft. That's what I should have done.
I know. I missed it twice. So upsetting. Dude, eBay, my eBay chart played out, made new all-time highs today. eBay went to the fucking moon.
Ooh.
Yeah.
New all-time high, huh?
Freaking eBay, man.
We talked about this one, I think, just not too long ago, but
I mentioned it yesterday morning.
I'm just looking at the chart. I mean, you had a huge move up. You've been in consolidation from that move. You could call this kind of a flag, whatever you want to call it, but what I see is a, whatever, a little choppy under the 200-day, but then I see a reclaim of it. I see double wick hold, buyers stepping in both times it touched the 200-day, explosive move out of that, and then consolidation. Didn't ever break really below this candle. I mean, wicked below into this little gap fill or whatever, but stayed above all these highs. EMA 9 caught up, flag, boom. Big move. Hey, that is just beautiful as it gets. I'll sit in these shorts just because we're up so much today, and we'll find out if it wants to roll over, some profit taking, but I'm not looking for like a full reversal here.
I see that post that says the stock market erasing all the red over the last few months, and it's the dude on the truck spraying all the green.
That was good, huh? You like
That's a
that?
good one.
You
I
like
like
that?
that.
You like that? Yeah, that shit
That's a good
banging.
video.
I thought that one was clever.
The SEC eliminated the pattern day trading rule to replace it with new intraday margin system. What?
Yes, sir.
When does that go into effect, though?
It's a great question.
Grok said, yes, it's true. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, let me ask Grok. Ask Grok. When does this? See what Grok says.
There's a Coinbase headline with Anthropic and Mythos. So I'm gonna heat up some food.
Oh, yeah. If I read the rest of the full post that Grok already said, it's there. Yeah, 45 days after. With up to 18 months for phase in. Ugh. It's a year and a half away. Another day where it's 82 degrees and full sun, and I'm at my office. And my entire family leaves me to go enjoy the day at the pool.
Dude, I'm so starving. Listening to the News Squawk guy Charlie just munch in my ear for 30 minutes earlier.
No, VIX opened up around like 1830. It's currently at 1837. Not too far off where it opened.
It's not much.
VIX ain't moving.
That wasn't real, by the way. Don't mean to scare anybody. It was just a sound.
NVIDIA? Oh, NVIDIA. Yeah, ripping new highs. Big candle coming in. Faulty Q is ripping. Big stick NVIDIA. Oh! Still going. How much am I up on my NVIDIA position? I mean, realistically, he needs to get over this hurdle here to 198.50. Dude, my long-term portfolio is up another 2.12% today.
Dude. Cooking.
My NVIDIA equity position just hit 100% again. Things are moving and grooving. My Amazon equity is up 40. My Tesla is now up 40. INTC still up 20. Or 200, sorry. Looking at Rivian is at 25. TSL is at 40. If you bought Netflix with me down there, sub 80, you're up nicely on that equity position. Should be around 30% here right now. We grab those in the IRA on the dip. I'm not sure if that is news on NVIDIA, but it's still going. I don't see a headline. The last one I see is about coin. Your IRA is equal weight, IRN, Hood, and Amazon up over 7% today. Hell yeah. Yeah, I have a level here somewhere on the video at 195.70. Don't ask me where this level came from. I think it's a midpoint kind of spot between these highs. Let me see. Yeah, it's just a midpoint of the highs from
It
October.
was like some daily, weekly highs up there too.
Yeah,
Sorry,
you got
I'm starving food.
the October highs, the November high. Yeah, the October high, November high, that area right there. I just marked that. The midpoint of that puts it around 195.70. So I think that's why I have that spot marked. But dude, NVIDIA is still pumping. Look, and Sniper Bot said so long right when the 245 candle closed. Popping. NVIDIA has introduced NVIDIA. I'm trying to read. Does that say icing? Icing? The world's first open AI models to accelerate the path to useful quantum computers. Interesting. Love that Amazon's retracing, NVIDIA's popping, right? Just trying to kill two birds with one stone. I am stoned, but the bird's not. Amazon just with a slow little bleed after that double top. I remember when Jensen took a shit on quantum and killed the quantum market for like a week. Yeah.
All right, rest of NQ just got stopped out, break even. I'm sure ES probably does next. This is what I was saying. I didn't want to add to shorts or anything because it was most like, God, NVIDIA is screaming. It's a counter trend trade, so why would I do that, right?
Buy signal on Meta at 255. It's popping up here. It's already hitting first TP, but nice move. Let me send this chart.
Oh man.
Let's say from Microsoft. Microsoft 10-minute buy signal. It just popped up and hit the same spot as before. Now it needs to get a break in base over that. There's resistance right now. Someone sent some CoreWeave 117 puts for Friday. You a little crazy. Bunch of MU puts now coming in. A bunch of calls this morning. It was 480. I think it was 480 calls. Yeah, those were 480s for May 15 this morning. Now some 415s for April just came in. All right, 2.3.
All right. What are we doing?
Nah. Nothing.
Why don't they go to 26,000? I mean, it's a number, right?
Yeah.
I think it gets there.
26,040 on the bell. 11th day. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
AMD is up, and probably with that NVIDIA. Yeah, AMD. Nice move. I need to add AMD to the
This is the 10th
mag
green day in
list.
a row on QQQ.
What does the daily volume on SPY look like? Is it still stupid?
We did have one red day on
It's
pretty low.
better than it was earlier. Let's try and pick up a little bit, but still weird. Look at all that low ass volume.
Tell you what does have volume right now. It's Nvidia on this, this breakout.
What earnings are after the bell or before market open tomorrow?
ASML is the big one overnight.
Okay,
Semiconductors over in
so
I think they're Dutch or whatever.
makes sense.
Nobody really after the bell. I do 10 billion plus. I don't care about anything smaller than that as far as the broader market's concerned. But
Yeah,
ASML, Bank of America, Morgan Stanley in the morning. A couple other banks in here: PGR, PNC, MTB. JB Hunt after the close, and then tomorrow night going into Thursday morning, so it'd be like 1 a.m. Eastern. Taiwan Semi. That's your first like probably really big like important one. And then Netflix Thursday after the close.
I'm gonna go ahead and throw this out there for the people on X and YouTube before I forget. I am currently long ticker UPS. Months and months out right now for a call swing. Just before I forget as I'm going through the watch list.
It's now over 3,000 points in 2 weeks.
Dude, that's insane. Come on, Google. Yeah. Time frame is what TF stands for on the alert bot.
Casey, you ever seen anybody pack Zens before?
Homie's packing Zins, bro. Like it's dip. Oh my god.
Popping that.
He popping that can. Let me pop that can, he said. Fresh can of that green.
You got that grizzly wintergreen. Come on, Google. Fucking sell this thing. You put the sell signal on there. Round 2. Let's go. Bye-bye. Come on. Do something crazy. Like 3:30.
Well, hello to you, Mr. Zen Diesel.
Oh. Right in the upper deck? It's in the upper deck or lower deck?
Oh, upper decky, dude.
Oh, upper deck.
Well, upper decky? A little Zinjamin button.
Well, afternoon, African shuggy. There's nothing better.
Oh, man. Get a little Zinternet Explorer going.
Zinternet Explorer.
Come on, Google. This is the spot. No bouncy. Fucking break it. Giant inverse cup and handle right at the high. Let's go.
Little Frank Sinatra.
I've seen some people bottom lip Zin, and I'm just like, no, always upper deck. But some people throw it in the lower deck.
Oh, I'll throw one down below the hole. Put it down on the starboard side. Drop an anchor. I'll drop an anchor, dude.
Dropping anchors, dude. SPY Qs, IWM. I guess I can do SPX on this one.
Dude, we are right at this NFP, but I don't know. I feel like I got that one decent short. I don't want to push my luck.
This is the third session in a row. There has not been not one overextended tick in either direction the entire day. This is the third trading session in a row, even with these moves.
We hit hold on the tick. We hit what 900 twice, or 900 to the upside, where I got short.
Yeah.
And where I trimmed, it was almost 800 at the downside, 796.
Yep.
Tick Q,
Insane.
basically the same.
Absolutely insane.
Yep. Pretty strong. Yeah, and tech is leading, which is a healthy sign for the market. Oh, lower deck's a little too intense for you guys. What's wrong? Lower deck. If anything, the upper deck he feels is more intense to me. Oh,
I think that's because the volume has been so low. I think that's why the tick is not getting extended in either direction, even on some of these spikes. Volatility.
sir,
What's he cracking open?
sir.
Would you like to share with the class?
Yeah.
I hope you brought enough for everybody else in
Yeah.
the classroom.
Little mighty swell.
Okay, first off, Gabriel, that was not me. It was a guy that I was teammates with in college. I don't even want to call him a friend because he wasn't
And
a
they
friend. He
were-
was just the guy that somehow got invited no matter what.
They were roommates.
We were not roommates.
We were not roommates.
I told the story though. This dude
Hughes and
he called it an upper decker, but he'd go like at somebody's house party and he'd just like dump right in the top of the toilet, which is so sinister, just terrible. Because then like every person that flushes that after that, it's just dirty.
I guess it was private or whatever Trump attended. It wasn't broadcasted.
Oh, Bionic. I'm cracking a Raleigh Brewing Company. Hell yes, ma'am. And a few.
Sit.
Well, hell yeah, brother.
Spot about to go make a new high day. Send in Google bouncing off the same spot where I trimmed earlier. How's Walmart looking?
Oh, don't get me excited on that 4 hour.
Oh, look at Walmart. New high of day, 4 hour. Yeah. Oh. Calls. Fucking calls. Look at the daily trend line, too.
Yeah. Oh,
That was perfect.
Dude, somebody came in the chat earlier and said they were long in Walmart. This is my new favorite Wolfpack member that we've got.
Hey, you get a free membership there, bud.
There he is.
Oh, he's in them.
Lenny might be my new quant.
What are you targeting? Like 126.30?
What's all time high again?
Some volume on those 130s for May 15. Decent swing with some time.
Oh, Frankie.
I know, we got 35 minutes left. SPY, new high a day. IWM, lagging. Everything else strong.
7 green candles in a row right into the figure, Frankie. Look at the volume that just hit SPY. Oof. Ooh.
I want to add more things to Snapper Bot. I don't know which ones I want.
Dude, anybody that buys Walmart calls is my quant. Oh, whoa.
go,
6
baby.
evals?
Let's go.
6? This guy,
Bing
W's
bong,
in the
bing bong.
freaking chat.
Another one.
Hey,
Stole that
go. Stole that shit.
Stole that shit.
Jordan, I was hoping you were going to play that one during that meeting last night. I would have laughed so hard.
Oh, that would have been funny for the employee award.
Yeah.
That would have been funny. That would have been a good one. Next time.
Wow, hold on, I'm just fired up for Nate. Freaking Nate. God.
I mean, if you type in ES, where's ES right now?
My Funded Futures doing a buy one get one on rapid plans.
Yeah.
I thought it was pass one get one free.
Oh, upon passing, buy one get one free upon passing promo across all rapid plans.
Yeah. So you pass it, you get a free
24
eval.
hours only. Oh. It helps when you forget you were long.
Oh, heck yeah. Any short place for car? Well, your issue is that there's nothing on the chart.
Issue is
for-
people have been trying to short this thing for 5 days straight and getting ran over.
Yeah, like it's right now, sky's kind of the limit. This is more momentum based than anything. There's not really much to do.
I mean, look, this thing last time it squeezed, it went to 545.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Just be careful. From what I've been told, I haven't really looked into this, but I've heard the float's really small on that too, which helps extend the squeeze.
Great. Google that. I ain't choosing.
Good Lord, we're just
Ripping.
almost. Spy's like 0.5% from all-time high.
Oh, we have to go make new all-time highs now. It would almost
Bro.
No, we don't.
No, we don't. But like, it's crazy how
don't
fast. Look at how close we are now.
That's
All
what I'm
took was a
saying.
couple
Like
days.
it would almost feel like this entire pump is like worthless if it doesn't take us new all-time highs at this point. Like you might as well.
Remember when that gap got created, Amp? And I was like, I bet you. It's like, I bet you it's one of those times when we just leave that open. We were talking about it. We're just leaving her open.
I don't know. There's some people last week who told me this was a bear market, but I think they deleted their tweets. I'm not sure.
I mean, this is pretty insane. This is a very out of the ordinary.
Very.
But can't argue with the chart.
And for all the people listening, if you were caught on the wrong side of this, just know that you are not the only one.
No, that's
Don't-
why this is happening. It's
That's
because
why
so many
this is
people are
happening,
caught on the
yeah.
wrong side of this.
Yeah, don't think you're the only one out there and you're the only one who's potentially red on these trades and you're second guessing like your whole trading strategy and blah 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 and all these other things. You are not the only one who was red during this time, even on this move up.
I would even tell you the difference is a lot of people weren't expecting this and were on the wrong side of this. The good traders pivoted when whatever thesis they were building into, they had an invalidation point and they pivoted. And that's what like people care more about, like
Ooh,
making calls, all this whatever. Oh,
more volume just came in a little bit.
Frankie's gonna short the figure, I know it.
SPY. Ooh. Is there any volume coming on IWM? Probably not. Oh yeah.
No, the difference is like people will like post these, they'll try to make calls or whatever, or like, oh, I called it or whatever, predictions. And then they'll go back and delete them and just keep the ones that were right, whatever. Obviously, that exists out there. The good traders that I know, they're just doing if then, and they know how to pivot when they're leaning into one side and something opposite happens. They know how to pivot quickly. Like Kramer carrying a couch. Pivot.
Pivot.
That doesn't mean you chase it either.
No, I had
It
to
literally
pivot
could mean
today
you
too,
sit-
but I just sat
Well,
out.
If you're a day trader, you're a day trader. Like that's one thing,
Of
obviously. But
course.
like for swing trading and other like bigger picture stuff, like okay, you're not in on this ripper move. Okay, you don't have to chase it. Just wait for it to set back up again.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, what the hell are you doing up here? 13% move in 2 weeks, and you want to long? It's the same thing as shorting down here. Is longing right here, right now.
The problem is the
Even if it
audience is probably-
works, it's still wrong.
Black Mama, the
Yup.
problem is the audience is probably stuck in if they're getting margin called. That's the thing. That's why you never margin short stop market ever. Ever.
So I was telling people yesterday, I was like, if you're long and you got the long and you caught it, freaking ride that. But up here in this area, it's not a chase long, in my opinion. This is
Hell
not a
no.
chase long. Your risk to reward is absolute shit to be chasing the long up here. Because even though I missed my entry yesterday morning for the long, trying to chase it today, would I have been green? Yes. Would it have broke my rules and gone back against my habits, my trading habits? Yes. It's just something that I don't like doing.
Dang it! They stopped just short, didn't they?
Fucking sell this thing. Ooh, M got rogued. Oh, he's
Okay,
back.
I'm back. They tried to get me.
Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Let's go see. Tesla. It's in a tricky spot. What's NVIDIA doing since the Ripper? Putting in a few upper candles.
Any puts for tomorrow anywhere, you think? I'm talking to the guys on this.
I mean,
So I tried it yesterday, Frank, and I got shit kicked out of me. So,
Yeah.
I mean, it's almost the same thesis as I had yesterday. It's a low volume trend upside into a larger time frame of resistance, but
Yeah, hitting new highs on low volume is not good, by the way.
yeah. So it's like, as much as as much as I would love to get into put swings again. I just closed mine today, earlier this morning, and I'll eventually maybe look to get back into it. But I don't know if I can get back in now for a swing into tomorrow.
There's been plenty of times in the market where we've done this, made a new high on low volume, or double topped and come back down pretty decently before you had the next big opportunity.
Matthew said I got that gap up overnight on the 7th with you, Casey. That was a nice 2,000%. Hell yeah, you made double what I did. I think I cashed mine out at 940% on the swing. 2,000% is crazy. Nice job. We got a few earnings to get through. Yeah. People might hate me for saying this next one, but freaking McDonald's. It tempted me. Let me see some here. Depending on how McDonald's close, you got 20 minutes.
Damn, today like it was slow action, but it kind of went by fast.
Mm-hmm. That's how I felt about yesterday too.
Well, that 210 candle was nice. That kind of. I had a little short into that. I don't know. Here, I'm flat.
I'm not doing anything.
Me? Huh? Just hanging around.
Nothing. Who, me?
I'm gonna freaking roll these things. I'm gonna stop and mother freaking roll.
ASML before the opening tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
1 a.m.
Morgan Stanley.
1 a.m. tonight.
And some bank earnings, yeah. All right, I'll roll these McDonald's.
Progressive, PNC, Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, and ASML.
UPS moving up. I mean, how high? Oh, new high a day. I mean, we need a much bigger move here on UPS. So the gap on UPS is 103.24. Then I'm looking for it to fill the gap, break a base over 104, then continue higher.
I'm bored, chat.
Jordan, what's up, baby? I'm just making hella posts. We're grinding on the timeline, bro. Timeline's cooking. Last night, all the videos I posted, trade recap, like everything's cooking, dude.
You got the AI ready?
For what?
Well, we had 129 likes. Let's give away a Lucid account.
Oh,
Chat, who wants a Lucid account?
Me.
Free.
I blew all of them today. I need more.
Free 99. My favorite price.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna roll my Amazons.
I think we'll get some mean reversion tomorrow.
Yep. All right. I rolled them.
Amazon puts.
Yes, sir.
What are you in?
I'm in 220 puts for May 15th expiration at 268.
220.
220 for 515 expiration.
You almost might be better selling calls.
I'm probably going to do that as well in my IRA with the shares. I like the 230 puts better. They're at 460 right now. But you do have higher volume in OI right now on the 220s. The delta is close. I usually don't like going under 0.20. It's at 0.15. But I do like those 230s. They're just at 460.
Let's do a
UPS is
Lucid
popping.
Flex 25K eval giveaway, Jordy. Whenever you're ready.
Bet. I'm trying to use Claude here. Give me a second.
I don't know. Chat doesn't seem too excited.
UPS trying to gap fill before market closes? Damn, shoddy, chill. I mean, actually, no, just explode. You're almost there. You're literally 20 cents away.
All right, maybe chat does want it.
Chat wants it.
Get Jordan ready with the old artificial intelligence
I
machine.
think I'm getting it. Hold
on. Banana Rip, yes. I see the same thing. I had it on watch this morning. I actually had an alert set on Costco for a 965 break. It got very close. It missed it by $1. I like that one as well on the daily. I have no position right now though on Costco. Walmart might lead it to the promised land though.
Chat's getting stirred up. All right, good. Give me a few minutes. Do MOC first, and then we'll do this.
Hang in there, chat.
The suspense. Spence.
Because the
Gets
other
the
the
people
I'm
going.
trying to, cause Claude's fucking. It's doing good though. It's doing better than any other GPT, but I'm having to tweak it a little bit.
it's all right. Still way better than like trying to watch the numbers in the chat. 'Cause chat just explodes.
Well, you like try and tell Grok to connect to a YouTube live chat. Doesn't happen. Not gonna happen. Nope. Claude though, Claude's smart.
Grok is like
Claude I
Grok
can
is
fuck
low
with.
key like not that fantastic at all.
Nah, it's not.
It's
But
kind of terrible. But
neither is Gemini, and neither are the other ones.
I'm not a huge fan of Gemini. I mean,
Claude, I'm like actually impressed with right now.
Chat
Well,
GPT
I have
and
been.
Claude is like all that I'll use for anything. That's about it.
Claude was my high school principal's name.
I bet he was smart.
I think he had a rocket. I think he was just boning all the teachers.
Oh, maybe not that smart.
Just a hammer.
He was just thinking with the wrong head.
He didn't get in trouble.
Oh, maybe he was smart with it.
Oh, I'm saying. I think he. I don't know. This is my working theory.
No, that's a lie. There's no way SPX hit that. If I go check, that's gonna be super disappointing. Let me go check high of day on SPX. There's no way. Oh, holy shit! That's hilarious. Someone, can we tag Elon? SPX high of day, 69.69 420 to the penny. Look at that. Oh, let's fucking go.
Snapchat layoff? %50 of employees? That's crazy. Boy, just 2 days of trend. What I said earlier, Frank always reminds me. Trend days, where do they normally close?
At the lows.
Not that kind of trend day.
I'm gonna go tag Elon Musk.
It's gonna spit me out a random person here soon. So
Ooh, MOC.
get ready.
Poppy poppy.
Only people that put their name in chat?
Basically everybody that's typed in chat. All right, I have it, but I'll let you do MOC first.
There's not much of an MOC here.
Oh, there's not. Minus 99 million to the sell side. Nothing. All right, crew. I still need a
Tiny
drum
MOC.
roll, dude. I need a drum roll, bro. What am I doing?
What are you doing?
Yeah,
Oh.
that's all we got, really.
All right. SPX can't make a new high of day because I just sent the post and tagged Donald Trump and Elon Musk. So
Okay. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for the winner?
Oh shit!
Y'all better speak good to Claude.
We ready? 3, 2, 1. Arbori. Country Green Property. Is that right? Yeah, Country Green Property.
Country Green Property?
Let's go, baby. Yes.
Let's go. Pack one up. Little winter green.
I got me a blueberry lemon mint.
ooh. There you go, Google. Reject that volume point of control and get slapped. Let's go, Amazon. You
Country
too.
Green, are you here?
Country Green. Put your X account in the chat, and I'll I'll DM you. What did you say? What account is it for again?
25K Lucid Flex.
Got it.
24 karat magic in the air. Hit the turns of bam. Look out. It's showtime. Showtime. Guess who's back again?
Where's he at? Where's Country?
He typed in chat. He's here. He's here. I see him. Let's go. Shout out.
Control.
Yeah, let me know what your X account is in the chat, and I'll send this code over to you so you can get all set up.
I belong.
Damn right.
West Virginia.
Virginia.
Mountain Mama.
All right, UPS. How much time you got? We got.
Oh, is that playing on my MacBook? What the fuck?
You got
Country Road.
7 minutes. 13 cents away.
Not sure why that was playing on my MacBook. I'm bulletproof. Nothing to lose.
Fire away. Fire away.
You gotta listen to the remix by True Chad. He's a true Chad.
Are you gonna get the 26,000? I don't know. I don't think so.
I don't think there was no buying. Literal, it was minuscule MOC today. I am titanium.
Yo, listen to the Titanium X Please Me slowed version.
Whoa.
A true Chad. That is
Excuse
the
me?
one to listen to.
Three, two, one.
Oh,
UPS daily gap fill. Oh, UPS sticky with the blicky, yeah.
Pop City.
Oh,
RIP Pop Smoke.
UPS popping into that gap. Oh, where my calls at? We're at 265.
She liked the way that I dance. She liked the way that I move.
Oh, popping into the close, UPS. Brown box stock. Let's go.
Oh, Frankie, they may pop it.
She's still going. Look at this candle. Shoddy. 270 here on these. And they got plenty of time too. NVIDIA holding decent into the close. Tesla did get that knife after the sell signal into the close. Microsoft. So Microsoft, if you go to your daily, I believe your daily 50 is right here. It's been fighting it all morning. So there is some resistance here on Microsoft. There's a trend line on the daily just above as well. It's like right near it.
Oh, unconfirmed social media speculation that Snapchat's firing 50% of its employees. Good. Casey, I decided earlier today, new little red flag tip for the audience. If she has Snapchat Plus, she's too young for you.
She has Snapchat at all. Just run.
Run away.
Yeah.
I can get behind that.
I didn't even know Snapchat Plus was a thing.
Jordan, did you see this?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay.
Wait, see what?
He dropped his at
Oh, he did. Oh,
right there.
I got it. Thank you, sir. Sorry, I got sidetracked.
Trader Dave, let's go.
Trader
Dave. Big Dave.
I'm bulletproof.
If I didn't already have a few positions on, I'd probably start scaling into this Microsoft, but
Come on. Come on. Come on, rip it.
Frankie wants that 26K.
Come
look at the
on.
volume on Q's. Q's just got hit with a lot of volume.
Come on. Do it.
Spy.
Fuck tonight.
Spy getting some volume too. So is IWM.
Over again.
There you go. Second highest volume of the candle.
99.
Second highest volume candle of the day right here on the 5 minute.
98.75. That's it. We're
20 seconds. Running out of daylight.
Ooh, affirm.
What we hit? 99?
99.99.
Oh, here it is.
99.9950. 99.9975.
There it is.
Go. 02. We hit it. 05.
Probably get it right after the bell.
26,525. Quick 10 points right there. Boom. And that's all she wrote.
All right. Nice little ripper on you in the close.
All right, Country Green. You should have that code in your DMs. Shout out to you, brother.
To a place I belong.
Oh, it's a good day, chat. Even though I lost money
Puerto
this morning.
Rico.
I did lose money, but still a great day. We had some
Hey,
banger
me too.
posts.
Let's go.
Did you lose money too?
Hell yeah, dude. I'm down like $2,000 today.
I want to lose.
Yeah,
some
I'm
money.
down. Well,
Well, actually,
I
hold on.
basically gave
Let's
back
see.
almost all my profits from yesterday. Like
I'm up.
gave back
70
1,400.
times 4 is 280.
I've been cooking though, so like really, I'm not mad. I've been cooking on the trades.
280,000.
At the same
80,000.
time, it pisses me off that I made such a dumb mistake and lost this.
1985.
Let's
There you
go.
Good year.
Majority of
Yeah.
mine is all unrealized right now. But see what tomorrow brings.
Nice little short here, Frank.
Yeah.
Might get 20 points.
There you go. Cool.
Oh, there we go. Oh,
Ooh, they bringing it down a little bit.
how did it? I don't even know how I get partial fills on a freaking sim account.
Dude, doesn't that make no sense when that happens?
It's so weird.
Fucking partial fill. How are you partial filling me on a paper trading
I mean,
sim
it
account,
makes
bro?
it makes it makes. I guess it makes sense. It's like more realistic that way.
Is that the argument? Just more.
Well, you think
realistic.
about it, like, because that's what it actually really happens. Because I've seen it happen both.
Yeah, I know.
On a live, like a live
Yeah.
account, and I've seen Rizzo get cucked by it a bunch.
Yeah. I get cucked by it sometimes on my fucking trade sinker, dude. It's annoying as shit. I ain't even trading freaking full live yet.
All right.
Up again tomorrow? Fuck, who knows?
20 commercial vessels transited the Strait of Hormuz in the past 24 hours. A lot of thin structure up here, Jordy.
I know, man.
Thin.
There you go, 25 points, Frank.
Yeah, when
You
the bad
grab-
news hits tomorrow, you just got to jump on board.
Yeah.
You
Yeah, I
grabbed the
did not-
Microsofts.
Wait, are these? Wow. These highs too. What is this? 265?
Oh,
Bro, can we just pump to those relative equal highs at 260s? 26, 260s?
dude, no way. I mean, there's definitely a way, but
I know, right? But it's like, fuck.
I will
It's
not
very
take
smooth up
along
there.
until we have a pullback or consolidation day.
I mean, if I show up tomorrow and we're just doing all this shit again and I get a setup long, I'll do it. If it's continuation and we have like reason to actually move higher, untapped London or something, or but I'd rather short it. It just feels like, to be honest, it feels like the 1,000 times I've seen the shit, dude. It feels like this shit is dumb strong. And it's just gonna melt up back into those all-time highs. It's got that look.
All right.
I hope we can pause here for a minute. Maybe just retest some of these. I mean, just a single one of these 4-hour gaps that are sitting below us. We haven't tapped one of them. What are we doing?
Jordan, will you check?
It's insane.
Make sure you pick the right account, Country Green. Check that DM, Jordan. And check which code you sent him just to make sure it's the right account type.
Is correcto. I know the codes disappear after they've been used, so I know that code's open.
Guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Adios.
All right, Frankie.
Later, Frank.
Later, guys.
I'm gonna head out as well. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning.
Sounds good, Casey.
Okay, get out there in that
See you
sun.
tomorrow, dog.
Later. Yeah, I gotta go find these kids and go hang out with them for like an hour at the pool before we have dinner. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Have a great rest of your night.
You too.
Later.
Yeah, we chilling. Oh, five-figure day, Telon. Let's go. Guys, if you are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're live literally the entire time the market's open. Every morning I go live at the opening bell. I sit here for 6.5 hours with you guys. Sometimes I pee in a cup just so I don't leave. No, I don't. I never go that extreme. Can you
Imagine.
imagine just a Gatorade bottle down here?
That would be insane. Where's my... Great day, crew.
I thought full port Matt was going to come on, but
This is my first loss in a minute. Besides, like, the break-even trades I've had. I don't really count those as losses.
today was tiring. I mean, I wasn't tired. I mean, I'm just tired in general because I have 3 little kids. Today was actually a lot more chill than like yesterday, because yesterday we were reacting to, the overnight stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Today just continuation.
Yeah.
Literally the hardest thing to do, we talked to Frank about this, the hardest thing to do was to long this 21 touch right here at 11:05. Dip down right there.
Yeah.
21, 30-minute orb high. That was the long. That was the best opportunity I saw the entire day. And you could have just sat in that for 200 and plus points, 230.
Oh.
Terrawolf. Mixed shelf offering on Terrawolf.
Yeah, we did a conversation with Trader ETFs on Spaces today. They have a 2x TerraWolf.
Oh, yeah? I wonder if it's getting wrecked. Yeah. Up 7% today. Now it's down 3.
Ooh. All right, crew. Well, we're going to wrap it up. But as always, make sure you're liking the stream and subscribing. We love and appreciate all y'all. Gave away another account today. We gave away 2 accounts, actually. I gave one away on Spaces as well.
Oh, we did 2 accounts?
Yeah. I did one on Spaces too.
Thoughts on entering every CBC flip? I think you got to have a little bit more confidence in every CBC flip. The reason I say that is because, like, a lot of times you hear Maple, like, he's using CBC for direction, and he's also using the EMAs for his entries to get better entries. But if you see like a CBC flip that's counter trend and into EMAs, that's probably not one that you want to take that often.
Yeah.
So it's more of like sideways price action. Which way does CBC go? And then are EMAs in your favor? And can you get a pullback to those 2-3 minute EMAs to get a decent entry?
All right, crew. We'll see you tomorrow.
There you go, UK.
Let's have another great day. I know,
today,
same.
but long-term port is at highs. I like that.
Long-term port is at highs. That's all we want, right?
I made a little money today. All right, chat. What is today? Tuesday? Oh, I picked up my thumbs up. Shout out leverage shares, by the way. Those tickers, we talked about it a little bit this last week and a half. Absolutely cooking. I bet Hood, well, how much was HOOG? 20.5% up today. I might have to go dig out my HOOG Hoog 2x leverage Robinhood hat. I'm swinging puts. I just wonder if we don't go just completely sideways for a day.
I know.
Like, as much momentum as we have up here, like, I don't know if we just get like a shell shock pullback unless there's a crazy catalyst. I'm probably more in the camp of maybe pull back a little bit and we just bounce between wherever we pull back to, and we just kind of like do this within today's range. I think we're going to get a sideways day. I don't know. That would be my base thesis.
Yeah,
but right now, I don't have anything like like anything to read or predict this market off of right now. So just following price action, whatever it's doing, and waiting for an opportunity. Any news on the PDT rule? So what they did was they voted to get rid of the PDT rule and use intraday margin instead. That's the only details that I have. I think there's a PDF out there somewhere you could probably go find. All right, Big Nate. Well done. Adios, broke dads. Bro, shout out. Some of these guys are in the chat, Jordan. I mean, like, I'm like making my coffee, like firing up the computer system for the day, and they're like in the chat saying GM already. They're still here at the end.
Let's go.
Wolf Pack, dude.
Wolf
literally.
Pack.
The reason I say Wolf Pack, guys, so often is because that's what this is. This isn't just like, some stream show where like I want this to be all of us, like all of us together. It's not like hey, come watch us trade and whatever. Check out my Lambo. All that. No, I want us to all be a unit.
You know what you guys should check out though? Let me bring it up on the screen. You guys should check out yesterday's video. That's on the timeline.
I like that green.
It's a good green, huh? It's a good green. Other than that, I ain't got anything else. It's been a beautiful day.
All right, Zeppelin. We'll see you, man.
Had some great posts. Not so great trade.
Frazzy,
It's okay.
I don't know.
Come back strong. Aikido. My Aikido is strong, sir. And my Seep is even stronger. That's going to do it for today, chat.
Frazzy, I don't know about all this, but it's all right. Yeah, bullish bear. Yeah, some of these are the OGs right here, the ones that are here all day.
All right, crew. We'll see you bright and early. I'm wrapping it up. We'll see y'all.
Profast sneaking in at
in the morning. Profast.
Late.
We love you, brother. Peace out, y'all.